How to resolve unbound local error on local variable when the variable has a value. This Python code defines a variable x with a value of 10 and then defines a function bar that prints the value of x. When the function bar is called by invoking bar, it prints the value of x, which is 10, because x is a global variable and can be accessed from within the function. In Python, variables that are only referenced inside a function are implicitly global. So, the output of the code is 10. Next, the value of x inside the function is incremented by 1. However, when bar is called, it will raise an unbound local error because the variable x is being modified inside the function without being declared as a global variable or passed as an argument. Python creates a new local variable x inside the function, which shadows the global variable with the same name. To fix the error, the function bar should either declare x as a global variable by using the global keyword, or accept x as a parameter and return the modified value. To fix the code, declare x as a global variable by using the global keyword. Now, when bar is called, it will print the value of the global variable x and increment it by 1. The output is 10. After the function call, the value of x outside the function will be 11. Note that modifying global variables within functions can result in unexpected behavior and make the code more difficult to understand. As a best practice, it's better to avoid global variables and use function arguments and return values instead. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.